back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosemary. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join the fam, and if you're returning, welcome back. So I don't know, this is supposed to be a new vlog. Actually today is Tuesday, but I don't know, I don't really have much activities this week, but I'll see how that goes. So this morning, I know you're seeing the shelf behind me. My carpenter just brought my shelf this morning. I don't want to show you guys too much because I want to make a full vlog out of this whole workspace. Like so I'm currently documenting and setting up my workspace, so I'm not going to show you guys much, but he brought my shelf for my products. You can see I'm already placing some products. So yeah, currently I'm working on a hair. Then yesterday Monday I had a coloring job to do, but I didn't vlog. I don't know, I just feel like this whole this whole vlogging of making wigs, styling hairs is just, I'm sure you guys are bored already, so that's why I didn't really video me working yesterday. But I'm going to insert a clip of the finished look of the hair I colored. Yes, I'm hoping I remember to do that, but I'll try and insert the clip. So today, what am I doing? I'm just going to try and arrange this shelf and finish working on this hair, because these people, they will soon see their lights. Yeah, so that's what I have to do today. Just ignore this hair. Overall, I'm happy with the work, even though I don't like this black what's it called, this black whatever I did here. I didn't like it, but what do I have to do? I'll just have to manage it. Today's Tuesday. No, what's today? Today's Thursday, the 2nd of December. Happy New Month, guys. Can you perceive that? It's Christmas, baby. It's December, the last month of 2021, and I'm so grateful that we made it, guys. We made it to this month. This is supposed to be a vlog. So, hi guys. Welcome back to this vlog. If you're new here, my name is Rosemary. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button to join the fam. Yes, so this very vlog, I'm going to be unboxing this beauty right here. I'm so excited. So excited. So let me quickly unbox this because I'm going out. I'm supposed to go and do a scan. So we got this. So what's the day? It didn't put it up to 4 days. I think we ordered this on Monday. Yeah, I think on Monday from Jumia, and it got delivered today, Thursday. Wow, that was fast. Let's just get into unboxing. Let me not talk too much. Let me get scissors. Ta-da! Wait, let me adjust the camera. Ta-da! I'm so excited. I can't wait to unbox, guys. So I'm so excited. It's a mini fridge. It's not that big. So this is what it looks like. Really tiny. But it's not bad. Okay, these are the keys. This is so tiny. Everything was 69,000 with some change on it, plus delivery. So this cost 64,000. I don't know, but on the so plus delivery and the fridge, everything cost 69,470. So the actual price is 64,000 because it's on sales. I bought it during Jumia Black Friday sales. Is it Black Friday? During Jumia sales, anyways. It's a good buy, anyways. It's supposed to be here.
Okay, would you
Here's the wire.
Would you sideways?
No, like this. Let me see like this.
Just the wire.
Wire is at the back. Which one?
With microwave on top.
Yeah. So let's on the fridge and it works. And then this fridge. So guys, we decided to leave the fridge here because when we put it in the kitchen it was quite tight, honestly, cooking and so it's better we leave it here on this passage. It's better we leave it here. So we just put the little drinks we have. Okay, the fridge is working. It's really small, but it's fine. It's okay for the size of our house. It's okay. For the time being, we still have a lot of things to buy, honestly. Hi guys. So today's a Friday and it's currently, what's the time? 5:09 p.m. So I just left the house. I figured I haven't spoken to you guys, so I decided to come on here and talk to you guys. Hold on, let me move this camera this way. Is that better? Okay. I don't know, I prefer using my back camera compared to this front camera. Anyways, I want to see myself. I just came to see my friend. He's a medical doctor, so he just got called in and I have to wait for him in the car. He said it's not going to be long. My lips feels dry. I don't know if you can hear me because the car is on. The car is on. Remember my white lip, my lip gloss. So I'm currently at the hospital. That's much better. So I'm also kind of coming to seek medical advice because honestly, can you see my face? Can you see? I didn't have this thing, honestly. This whole thing just started in 2019-ish. So I don't think this is normal people. This is acne. And someone is looking at me and I'm sure he's wondering what this girl doing. And I don't know, my older sister said it might be hormonal imbalance. I don't know. I want to seek his advice. Let me be sure it's hormonal imbalance so I know what step to take. Aside that, I don't have anything doing, but I'm going to try and convince him. He said I'll go out. I want to go bowling. I don't know. I just want to hang out. Today is Friday. Other than this, guys, my skin is glowing. I mean, I have a really glowing skin, but I don't know what this is. Do you think I should go and run the hormonal test, or I don't know. It's really painful, especially these fresh ones. Every day. I keep popping them, but they keep coming out. I don't know what to do to this face. It's really giving me issues. It's just on this side of my face, just here. Yeah, there's nothing. Nothing. I can notice one coming out. I don't see someone coming out. So I'm just in the car waiting, and I don't understand the music.
Alright, it's your boy International Big Man Superstar. You're listening to 89.7 FM, Independent Radio. Visit the room, stay blessed.
I cannot dance to save my life, guys. I don't want to say I cannot dance to save myself. He's coming already. So I'll talk to you guys later. Welcome back to this vlog. So today's Sunday. I just got back from church. I got back like an hour ago. So yeah, one of my friends is launching her clothing line today. Today is 5th, by the way. So she's launching her clothing line today, and I'm supposed to go for that. So that's what I have to do. It's starting by 2 p.m. but I'm sure I'm going there by 3. I just come on here and let you guys know what my activity for the day is. I don't know, I think I'm going to do very light makeup. Yeah, I'll do light makeup, and then I have to still look for what to wear. I'm just going to put on a jean and a shirt. I won't lie, I'm not dressing any serious dressing. I forgot to tell you guys from the beginning of this vlog, this is officially my first vlogmas, because you know I'm new to YouTube. I've been seeing everybody posting vlogmas, and we're already in December, so it's only fair I have my own vlogmas as well. So I don't know, this year I did not want to travel for Christmas. My sister is sewing. I did not want to travel for Christmas, but then my older brother is getting married this December. Not really, yeah, he's getting married. He's kind of, Jesus, let me close the door. So my older brother is going to pay his fiance's bride price this December. I don't know, we don't know the date yet. But it's nothing serious. It's not like the typical traditional marriage, you know. It's just payment of bride price or dowry. Some people call it dowry. So yeah, I might be traveling to the village. Honestly, I didn't want to travel. My mom even told us not to travel, but my brother is getting married, so we have to. I'm still having mixed feelings, so I don't know if I'm going. If I'm going, I'm definitely going to be vlogging. I'll definitely be taking you guys to my village. This vlogmas is about to be lit, so I'm definitely going to take you guys on this December journey. This is my outfit. This top is thrifted. This jean is thrifted. Guys. So I think I'm going to be doing a thrift haul on my channel soon, hopefully. And this slide was made by my cousin 3 years ago. That was 2018. And I still have them. And honestly, they've not even spoiled. So yeah. And I'm carrying my bag, my favorite bag at the moment. I'm actually late. It's supposed to be starting by 2 p.m. and this is almost to 4. This is like 3:30 something, and I'm still here.